needs to know this, but I wasn't the first. I can't be the only one. There's about 400 or 500 Koehring SkyTrak 5522s that were sold between 1986 and 1987. And JLG now owns the brand, and they do not want to support them any more than they absolutely have to. But if you need a new brake caliper, a 1967 to 1974 Carmen Ghia will bolt right on. It's also the disc brake caliper that was used for the front caliper. It's the one that was used on the Volkswagen Beetle for the disc brake conversions.